Okay, she is Miss Shirley, everyone. Okay.
Hi, I'm JB Pascual.
Wow! There's so many fans of Miss Shirley.
So I am Rose from ESO.
Jocelyn.
Justin. Okay, so now we have 5, and now we are going to state the directions. So the 5 participants will work as one group. You need to guess the 5 words by reading them aloud and repeating it until you found the correct answer. Are you all familiar with the gibberish game? So it's like that. For example, number 1, purity. It's one word, purity, purity. It sounds like pretty. So the answer is pretty. Okay, number 2, 2 words, super purity. Super pretty, super pretty. The answer is super pretty. So you only have 2 minutes to guess all the 5 words, and you can pass if you don't know yet, and can take a guess again if there is no time left. Are you all ready? Okay. Can you cheer them, guys? Fast. Okay. Ready?
Go Yorme.
Third. Okay, third. Correct. Number 5. Okay. Please give them a good clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. G with the O and O and D. Good job. Good job. Okay, very good, everyone. And with that, you'll have a prize. Of course, because they participated in our motivation. Please, no, food. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, you will have to. Okay. So with that, okay. So with our game, we discovered some words